Ever had one of those mornings where there's nothing to eat? Like, actually nothing. Donuts are actually kind of disgusting. The cocoa bars lied, and they actually did go straight to your hips. I see cereal, but where's the milk at, though? Are my antidepressants in here? Ooh, a banana. Ew, a banana. Who are you? Alright, let's do this, guys. How to cook potato in the microwave. First, an optional paper towel. Non-optional potato. Get a fork. Make sure it's on the right-hand side for religious purposes. Now stab it. More. Yep, that's good. Like this potato stole your boyfriend. Yep. More. More. Good. Yes. Love it. Nice. One more. Now douse that. Get it real moist. Your Rasputia from that one scene in Orbit. That's good. Now pop it in the microwave. Sweet. Put it in for 5 minutes. But not really for 5 minutes, because this was kind of a small potato. So put it in for a little bit less time. Now watch that spin. Round and around and around and around and around and around. That's good. Alright, grab one of those things so you don't burn your hand. Now flippity flip it. Nice. Now close the microwave and press the buttons one more time. Good, now it's out. And pull that out of the microwave. Sweet angle change, bro. Alright. Now grab the fork, cut into the potato. Good. One more time. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Success. Now let's end this vlog. Casey Neistat style?